Hello everyone, my name is Isaiah Sanchez, and the learning outcome I chose to do my mini lecture on today is to define negative transfer and relate it to motor skill learning situations. Negative transfer is actually quite rare and is more often than not temporary in motor skill learning. Negative transfer effects occur when a previously experienced stimulus requires a different response. To understand what negative transfer means more, it is the environmental context characteristics of two performance situations that are quite similar, but the characteristics of movement are completely different. The situations most susceptible to negative transfer effects are those involving changes in the spatial location of the movement or a change in the timing of a movement. An example of spatial location could be driving a new car, completely different with what you are used to. Though the pedals are generally in the same vicinity in every car, the very little differences can cause a thing called unintended acceleration, which happens when the driver accidentally applies the throttle instead of the brakes. Other examples include going to a foreign country where they drive on the opposite side of the road, or mistaking turn signals for the windshield wipers. The old familiar movements you are accustomed to affect how you move and control the new movements that you need to make. An example of a change in timing where negative transfer effects occur is a swimmer learning how to kick during a freestyle stroke. Since most swimmers naturally kick to a 2 or 4 beat kick, the freestyle stroke generally requires a 6 beat kick. Another example is when an athlete makes the transition from high school to college. The coaches have the athlete make changes because even though they had success prior in high school, the college coaches know that what it takes for the athlete to succeed at the next level. Since negative transfer is not temporary, it is important for coaches, physical therapists, and teachers to be aware of the negative effects of negative transfer because it could discourage the person's interest and ruin their experience. Thank you.